Hi, this is part two. Sorry about the first part. I didn't screw down the bowl tight enough and it was leaking when I flushed it. I temporarily replaced the toilet because the previous one, the wax ring broke, but this one I put the rubber. And as you can see on these screws, I put them as fake ones so that way I can still tighten up a fake, white plastic cap cover. And these of course are the real ones on the toilet, as you can see. I was just cleaning out the bowl, and once again I'm going to put a new seat on it for now. Sadly, this is a temporary toilet for this spot because a single piece is going to be put on this one. This is not my place, so I have no rights in this place to do that. So I'm glad I can show you a video of this, and now like Adam Diddy, hopefully he's watching this, you can actually see once again that nice toilet flush again. This one is 1978, and I'll show the tank again. These are the original parts, or the silver hand flusher, the heat-treating flush valve, a nice white flat plastic floater. This is quite old, it's leaking. I could probably just screw it open and replace the parts, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna temporarily put back on the tank. Sorry about the dizzy camera. I need to learn to use some video programs to edit some stuff. And how it looks like that. And here we go. Flush it again. I like it when it bubbles like that because the tank's empty, and then finally the valve, the flapper shuts. And that's it. So the thing's not attached to it's not filling the thing properly. But anyways, that's the default level. So if we want a closer look, one thing I noticed is it doesn't have the shape of the bowl, doesn't have that push down to the sides thing. So they really did a good job at lowering the, let's see, this thing, the slope. There you have it. Once again.